The Duke Fire is now 100% contained. It destroyed more than 200 acres in Bexar and northern Atascosa counties.
A day later, though, firefighters still in the fight as neighbors were all united. Here's KENS 5 reporter Zach Briggs.
Here along Forest Drive near Duke Road, so much destruction out here. The flames sparing many homes, but not this one. And firefighters have been working around the clock to take out the hot spots. Meanwhile, residents are leaning on each other during these tough times.
This fire just raged all over back there, you know.
Kathy Davis and her son wasted no time getting out, travel trailer in tow, as flames began ripping through Big Leaf Road.
And there's a little RV park about 5 miles away called David's RV Park, and we went in there and she took us in gladly.
The Duke Fire left its mark, scorching 45 structures, including 13 homes within Bexar and Atascosa counties. Davis, who admits she was worried most about her chickens, returned home to a property left untouched.
I'm totally exhausted today, physically, I think emotionally, but we're safe.
Scary, scary, scary.
Romanita Areales has been keeping busy, making sure her fellow neighbors are doing okay, especially those who no longer have a home.
I've been calling everybody because we know all these people for a long time. Gary Brown, and then hope to God that they get everything together.
Being there for each other. It's just what small communities do.
Give a hand, volunteer, give them some comfort, if at all possible.
The Duke Fire may have destroyed homes and physical memories, but certainly not the spirit of this tight-knit community. In Bexar County, I'm Zach Briggs, KENS 5.